welcome back to my channel. So I know I've been gone for a very long time. I haven't posted anything on my channel, but I've been seeing your requests, and among one of the most requested videos is how to thread the Juki TL82, and that's what this video is about. I'm going to thread this machine and take you through the process for this machine so as to work perfectly. So if that's something that you are interested in seeing, kindly make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, do leave a sweet comment in the comment section after watching to the end of this video. Let me know if it has helped you, if you have gained something. Yeah, just interact with me, and also do share to your friends, family, whoever might be interested in watching this type of content. So without wasting much time, let's get right into it. So this is the thread that I'm going to be using. It's a black thread. I hope the contrast is clear, you can see it properly. So first of all, what I'm going to do, there is a knob up here which you can open this thing. Then it has this knob up here. It has something like a spring up here. So I'm going to insert the thread on this part. Then after, oops, it hasn't gotten in, just a minute, like that. After inserting it there, I'm going to insert my thread on this part here. It can be like this, or you can open it and make it to lie on this side like that. Then you just tighten this screw so that it goes nowhere. So this is it. You can also put it to lie horizontally. So I'm going to insert the thread on all the holes. There are 3 holes, so I'm going to insert from the top. As you've seen, I've inserted it from the top to the bottom. Then I'm going to come from the bottom to the top. Then I'm going to go again from the top to the bottom, like that. These should go to the back, like that. Then after inserting the thread through all the holes, everything is well put, I'm going to insert it on this part here. I don't know the name, forgive me, I don't know the names of these things, but you can follow how I'm doing it. So I'm going to insert the thread through this place. I hope you're getting it. Then I'm going to pass it here through this stuff. Just for the tension to be okay, you have to pass it through here. Then I'm going to insert it into this. This is where the tension mostly is, so I'm going to make sure that it gets into this tension knob right here. Then I'm also going to pass it again here through this thing. I don't know how it's called, forgive me for that. Then after that, we are almost done. After inserting it through here, you can put it through this black spiral knob, this tiny black spiral knob over here. This is just for tension also. Make sure it's placed well. Then you're going to insert it through the needle, and when inserting it through the needle, make sure you insert it from the left going to the right side. So let me do that, just like that, and that way you have properly threaded your machine. With that, you have properly threaded your machine. There is always something that is to be put up here. I don't have it as at now. That's the thing that you put this thread so that it doesn't move around. But if you also have, you can improvise something so that you can insert your thread up hivi nyuma. I don't know But for me, normally I put my thread either at the back of the machine, or I just let it flow freely on the floor. It doesn't affect anything. So yeah, that's how I thread my machine. You take it from this part here for the tension, and this part you can also use to oil the machine. So there's this space. I don't know if it's advisable, but for me it works for me. I'm only sharing with you from my experience, right? So you put it here from the first, then you go to this part. It has 3 holes. You start from this hole that is on the far right, from the top to the bottom, then you go from the bottom to the top, then from the top to the bottom. You must insert your thread through all the 3 holes. Then you come to this, I think it's the pull-up lever, I'm not sure. You come to this thing, you insert, then you go here on this tension. Now this is where you can use to adjust your tension from as you please. You can either increase your tension or decrease your tension. You insert it there, then you pass it through this metal here. I don't know the names, please forgive me. You can do your research about that. I don't know. Then you put it through this spiral metallic thing, this black spiral metallic thing over here. Then you come and insert it onto your needle from the left side to the right side, and with that you will be ready to use your machine for sewing. It's as simple as that. That's the simplest way I can explain it to you. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching everything. I'm still learning this machine. I don't know everything about it yet, but I'm also learning as I go. This is for adjusting the stitch length. This can be used for, anyways, I don't know. But I hope if you have this type of machine, I hope you do enjoy working on it, and you also just experiment. It's about experimenting, you learn as you go, right? So yeah, that's all about the Juki. That's all about threading the Juki TL82 machine. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. If you did, let me know in the comment section if you gained something, a thing or two, and I hope you can thread your machine if you have one like this. So yeah, until next time, bye, and make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Please do subscribe. Also make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video.